Welcome to Cam's World!
What do we have here?
A Nescafe Dolce Gusto Automatic Mini. This is a gift. Gift. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we choose the black one. I like this color. So let's see what they have. This is for this is a tray for the cup. Good. And
You're gonna be a barista. This is your dream come true, to be a barista.
that's right.
For yourself and for me.
For yourself and for me.
My own personal barista. Awesome. Look at that. Krups.
Krups.
Nescafe Dolce Gusto Krups. Mini me, it says.
Mini me.
Mini me.
So you can
It's a automatic, play and select, auto stop, 15 bars max, whatever that means.
so this is the tray.
Okay.
This is the tray for bigger cups, and then you can put it
And you
here
adjust it. Oh, okay.
for smaller cups. And here is the measurement of the cups. It depends on what capsule are using. So there we go.
Okay.
And let's keep it going. Let's start it. Let's first clean the machine by putting water inside the water tank. Now let's turn it on. It will first show a red light and we need to wait until it turns green. Once it turns green, we can now put in our cup on the tray and set the water level on high and turn left for cold water, and it will start pouring. Once it's finished, set the water level the same on high and turn right for hot water. Now let's start making some cappuccino. For making cappuccino, we need 2 capsules. One for the coffee and the next one is for the milk. Let's start with the white capsule. Set the water level as indicated in the capsule. Then turn on the machine. Once it turns green, you can turn right for hot water. You need to wait a few seconds and it starts pouring. once it's finished, you do the same step for the coffee. Take note of the water level for this capsule. And it's done. Enjoy a nice cup of cappuccino using the Nescafe Dolce Gusto.